Għaddew 34 sena mill-waqgħa tal-Ħajt ta' Berlin u reġa' wasal iż-żmien li niddefendu l-istil ta' ħajja Ewropej li niġġieldu għad-demokrazija u għall-libertà. Dan kien il-messaġġ ewlieni tal-President tal-Parlament Ewropew Roberta Metsola f'Berlin meta kienet mistiedna biex tagħmel diskors f'dan l-anniversarju li bidda l-Ewropa kif nafuha llum.
The story of Europe is about overcoming the odds. And there is no better place or date to remind people about that than in Berlin on the 9th of November. That sense of victory, of overcoming impossible odds. The future suddenly was limitless. Berlin did that for the world. That was the tangible expression of what Europe meant to people around the world. It was the personification of hope.
Fost it-temi li għamlet referenza lihom fid-diskors tagħha kien hemm it-tkabbir tal-Unjoni Ewropea, l-immigrazzjoni, is-sitwazzjoni fil-Lvant Nofsani kif ukoll l-għajnuna lill-Ukrajna.
Ours is a European Union that must strike the right balance between embracing change and protecting citizens. Our responsibility is to ensure our people's physical, economic and environmental security, to ensure social well-being and equality of opportunity.
L-MP tal-Partit Nazzjonalista tkellmet ukoll dwar il-pass li jmiss tal-Unjoni Ewropea.
The future of Europe will be defined by our ability to remain sovereign, by our ability to defend democracy at home and abroad, and by our ability to keep people at the heart of all decisions.
Kristin Mamo għal Net News.